Hi, this is Anthony from CarPlayLife.com, and today we'll be looking at the AUKEY Link PD Pro USB hub for laptops and tablets. I've been using this specifically with my MacBook Pro via USB-C, and if you're a MacBook user or a laptop user with limited USB ports, you're most likely to encounter a lot of issues with connectivity or lack of ports, more specifically older ports for devices that you're still using today. Any sort of cable that requires a USB-A socket, you're likely going to encounter issues obviously plugging into a laptop that only has USB-C ports. So a dongle is required, and it's good to have a multi-port dongle or hub such as this AUKEY. So the AUKEY hub will allow you to connect to certain devices such as USB-A devices, display devices, and other USB-C devices for power, as well as microSD and SD cards, because there's a reader inside, and also Ethernet. So just a quick overview of size. It's very similar to an Apple mouse size in that it's the profile is almost identical. The width probably is a bit thinner than a mouse. So if you've got a compartment in a bag specifically for the mouse, this will fit inside that compartment. You've got 3 USB-A ports that you can actually connect to. You've got 2 on this side and 1 on this side, and there's also a HDMI, which is 4K display. There's a USB-C port that you can connect your existing power cable to if you're very limited on ports, or use this port to charge other USB devices if you're limited on ports on your laptop. On the other side, you've got the ports I mentioned earlier. These are also all USB-A ports are 3.1 Gen 1, and you've got a SD card slot here and a micro SD card slot. If this is anything like other hubs, you probably won't be able to use both simultaneously, but I'll cover that in the review if you can. It's normally one or the other. And on the bottom end, you've got a Ethernet port. So if you've got a situation where you're in an office environment and Wi-Fi is limited, but they've got a hardwire Ethernet line, you can use you can just plug in there and have your laptop run off Ethernet, which is super handy in that situation. And again, on the HDMI side, you can use that on holiday. If you're in a hotel and you want to connect your laptop or tablet to a display abroad, you can just take this, your laptop or tablet, and an HDMI cable, and you're good to go. And there are many other companies that make hubs, such as this one from AUKEY, which is a 7-in-1 hub, which is very similar to this one. This has been a great hub for me. The cable is slightly longer, as you can see, but there's very little difference in that length, and the only real problem is when they're about this big, because you movement around once you've got it plugged in and you've got many other devices plugged into the hubs, you really need a longer cable, and this is perfect for that situation. Again, the AUKEY has a very similar port layout, although this one only has 2 USB and this doesn't have an Ethernet. There is another dongle they've recently released this year. That other one does have an Ethernet port too, so you can compare it with this one too. The AUKEY also comes with a carry pouch in its packaging. The packaging itself is very environmentally friendly. There's only 1 plastic sleeve in there. It comes with a user manual to get connected, and it's got its usual warranty card that AUKEY provides for extended warranty. So yeah, it's a great little product. Look out on the comments on this video on how much it costs and where to get it, and look out for our reviews soon on carplaylife.com. Okay, cheers, bye.